Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make Thai desserts. This is the golden thread, or in Thai we call Foi Thong. Foi Thong is a Thai dessert made by drizzling egg yolk. Usually use dark egg, but today I'm gonna use all with the chicken egg. The first step we're gonna make the syrup. That we use the water ratio with the sugar is the same ratio. Today we use 750 gram of sugar with the 750 gram of the water. And if you have the pandan leaf, you can use it for make the good smell. But if you don't have, you can use the pandan essence. This one just only make the good smell for the our Foi Thong. But if you don't have, it's okay. You can skip for this. And then boil it with the medium heat until the sugar is dissolved. Once the sugar has completely dissolved into the water and the syrup is bubble, remove the pandan leaf. For this dessert is very good meaning, and also we believe that when we eat it brings good luck into our life. And also this dessert is very popular dessert for the wedding and ceremonies. The next step we gonna prepare our egg. By when we break our egg, you will see the some of the white egg that is slightly flow, and then we keep it a little bit. And then we gonna prepare the egg by separate egg yolks and egg whites and strain egg yolk on the muslin cotton. Today we use 10 yolk egg, and then we gonna add some of the white egg, but you need to choose on top. That white egg is like a flow and viscosity not too much. And as when we use yolk egg for 10, we use 5 tablespoons of the white egg, and then fill it with the muslin cotton. If you want the green color, you can use pandan leaf like I use today. Or if you just use only the same color and then you skip for this. In the people that want the pandan taste, you can just add the pandan for 4 or 5 leaves and then eat with half of the yolk egg that you use. And then just pour them in through the fine strainer or the muslin cotton to remove any thick bits. As I told you, if you want the original one, just use only yolk egg without pandan. And then we gonna use the plastic bag. Or you can use the Foi Thong tooling that sell in the Thailand. But today I just use the easy way for the plastic bag and then put our yolk egg inside it and then cut on the tips of the bag. And then try to see if the liquid, our yolk egg is smooth flowing. For this one is not good and then cut a bit more. And now it's better, you can see our egg is flow well. And then open the heat and our syrup have the bubble on the center. And then pour the egg in a circular motion around the wok until you have enough for one portion. For me, I put around 30 to 40 rounds. And let it cook for half minute and use two skewer or the chopstick for float and rest onto the cooling tray. Before we do the next one, we're gonna remove all the stuff, all the stain, all the egg that remain on the water out, and then continue to do the same. And now it's ready. You can see our famous and tasty Thai desserts that is available at the food markets all over Thailand. And now you can do it. Not only does it taste great, but it also looks good. The egg is drizzled into the boiling syrup, which gives it a fine thread like a golden appearance. So this is very quick and easy Thai dessert to make whenever you have something want something too sweet. And I hope you guys give this try for this recipe. Just use only egg, sugar and water. That is very easy and very fast. So thank you for watching my video and see you next time.